মেট্রোপলিটন ইউনিভার্সিটি ফাইন্যান্স ক্লাব তাদের প্রতিষ্ঠাকাল থেকে যে সমস্ত প্রোগ্রাম করেছে তার বেশিরভাগ প্রোগ্রামে আমি উপস্থিত ছিলাম। তারা যথেষ্ট সুন্দর এবং সাবলীলভাবে সবগুলো অনুষ্ঠান করেছে। প্রবলেম অ্যান্ড প্রসপেক্টস অফ ইলেকট্রনিক ব্যাংকিং ইন বাংলাদেশ শীর্ষক বিষয়ে তারা যে ভিডিও প্রস্তুত করেছে সেটি অনেক সমৃদ্ধ। ক্লাবের সকল মেম্বারকে অভিনন্দন জানাচ্ছি। আশা করি ভবিষ্যতেও তারা ফাইন্যান্স বিষয়ে বিভিন্ন ভিডিও সভা সেমিনার করে আমাদের মেট্রোপলিটন ইউনিভার্সিটিকে বাংলাদেশে তথা বিশ্বে পরিচিত করে তুলবেন সে আশাবাদ ব্যক্ত করছি। ফাইন্যান্স ক্লাবের উত্তরোত্তর সমৃদ্ধি কামনা করছি। আল্লাহ হাফিজ।
Good day on all. It's my great pleasure to welcome all of you who are hearing my speech. We are facing difficult time, but even MU Finance clubs are taking different initiatives, and that will give encourage me. And I also hope that your activities encourage to our other club member for doing their works in their respective fields. Thanks to all the club members, and also give special thanks to our honorable faculties Mohammad Kamrul Hassan sir and JC madam for taking their close monitoring and give us a valuable event. I feel proud as a part of MU Finance Club. Thank you all.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In this pandemic period, we are all in at home. So it is quite difficult to build up our career as well as our quality. It is very difficult to build up. But in these situations, our student major finance and banking, obviously they are the members of MU Finance Club. They have tried to develop their quality by try to prepare a video presentations. For these reasons, I will try to give a lot of thanks to all of them. I have seen all of the videos. That is very well. They have tried very well. So I appreciate them very well, and I am praying for them to do well in future. I am praying for them for their bright career, bright. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
MU ফাইন্যান্স ক্লাবের সকল সদস্য, প্রেসিডেন্ট, ট্রেজারার এবং অ্যাডভাইজার যারা আছেন সবাইকে অনেক অভিনন্দন জানাচ্ছি আজকের এই দীর্ঘ পথ চলার জন্য। এবং এই ক্লাবের যারা আমার প্রাণপ্রিয় ছাত্রছাত্রীরা, আমি আশা করব স্টুডেন্ট থাকাকালীন সময়ে এবং এখান থেকে গ্র্যাজুয়েশন করার পরে তোমরা যেখানেই যাবে সেখানেই আমাদের ইউনিভার্সিটির ভাবমূর্তিটাকে সবচেয়ে বেশি সমুন্নত রাখবে এবং আমাদের ইউনিভার্সিটির এই অনেকগুলো ক্লাবের মধ্যে ওয়ান অফ দ্য বেস্ট ক্লাব MU ফাইন্যান্স ক্লাবের সুনামটা সব জায়গায় তারা অক্ষুণ্ণ রাখবে এবং তাদের সামনের পথ চলাগুলোকে আরও সুন্দর হোক সে আশা ব্যক্ত করতেছি। সবাইকে অনেক অভিনন্দন।
সবাইকে স্বাগতম। আমি জেসি সাহা, লেকচারার, ডিপার্টমেন্ট অফ বিজনেস অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেশন, মেট্রোপলিটন ইউনিভার্সিটি। সংগঠন হলো একটি সুতায় এক এক করে ফুল দিয়ে গাঁথা একটি মালা, যেখানে এক একটি ফুল হচ্ছে এক একজন শিল্পী। ঠিক তেমনি আমাদের মেট্রোপলিটন ইউনিভার্সিটি ফাইন্যান্স ক্লাব এমন একটি সংগঠন যেখানে রয়েছে এক ঝাঁক নবীন, যারা প্রতিনিয়ত নিজেদের অর্জিত জ্ঞান সীমাবদ্ধ না রেখে দল বেঁধে সবার মধ্যে বিলিয়ে দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করে যাচ্ছে। আমি MU ফাইন্যান্স ক্লাবের ভাইস প্রেসিডেন্ট হিসেবে এই ক্লাবের উত্তরোত্তর সাফল্য কামনা করছি এবং এই ক্লাবের সাথে যুক্ত সকল সদস্যের প্রতি রইল আমার আন্তরিক অভিনন্দন ও শুভেচ্ছা।
আদাব sir. This is Mili Dutta from Metropolitan University, Sylhet. My ID is 171116003. I am going to discuss about topics from problems and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. First of all, I discuss what is e-banking. E-banking is a modern banking system that delivers the traditional banking product and service to the customer electronically. There are many kinds of product and service of e-banking in Bangladesh, such as ATM, debit card, credit card, home banking, mobile banking, internet banking, and PC banking.
Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my presentation. This is Tabassum Helim Cynthia. My ID number is 171116009. At first, I would like to thank our honorable teacher Muhammad Kamrul Ahsan sir, who inspired us to make such presentation videos. My presentation topic is about the problems and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. E-banking is a modern banking technology that delivers the new and traditional banking products and services to the customers electronically. There are many products and services of e-banking in Bangladesh. Some of them are automated teller machine, debit card, credit cards, PC banking, home banking, internet banking, mobile banking, SMS banking, and so on. Electronic banking provide banking facility as well as a country to get attached to the international economy and business. There are many problems of e-banking in Bangladesh. Some of them are: number one, financial jargon. Although internet banking has bright prospects in Bangladesh, but it also has some financial risks as well, like operational risks, strategic risks, reputation risks, market risks, legal risks, credit risks, etc. Number two, most of the officials of these banks are in the classical stage, especially the state ones are leggy and cannot understand and are reluctant to accept modern electronic banking systems. Number three, legal barriers and appropriate policy framework. Number four, useful technology. Number five, lack of awareness and human capital. Number six, infrastructural barriers. Number seven, knowledge barriers. Number eight, socio-cultural and economical barriers.
Assalamualaikum sir, this is Rassim Jamal Tasneem, ID 171116017, batch 41st section. Thank you sir for encouraging us to deliver a presentation by using digital technologies, which will help us in our future days. And it could not be happen without your inspiration. So thank you very much.
Hello sir, this is Monjita Bishti. My ID number is 171116020. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to say something about this topic. Today's topic is problems and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. By using SWOT analysis, we can easily understand problems and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. Problems of e-banking in Bangladesh are those: problem of security breakdown, problem of identification of customers, lack of awareness, poor telecommunication systems, and so on. Prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh are those: customer can save time and avoid hassles. A person is able to withdraw or deposit money in any branch of the bank, and if reducing current charges or fees of internet banking and positioning attractively, then DBPL can attract more corporate client. Thank you sir.
Assalamualaikum everyone. Good afternoon. I am Nafisa Islam Buya Morion. My ID is 171116058. Today my topic is problem and prospectus of e-banking in Bangladesh. E-banking. In the past few years, electronic banking has been growing in Bangladesh at rapid rate. The Central Bank of Bangladesh is playing the key role in its growth, as it is providing environment as the regularity of the financial sector.
I am Tabassum Zanab Khan, welcoming you all to my presentation. My ID number is 171116075. Today I am going to present about the problems and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. So before knowing the problems and prospects of e-banking, we should know what e-banking is. So, electronic banking refers to the system that enables the customer to access account and other information that is related to product and services of a bank through a personal computer or other electronic devices.
Alaikum. I am Aisha Begum. My ID number is 171116086. My batch is 41st. I'm going to present through this video our given assignment topic, which is problems and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. Or electronic banking is the safest, fast, easy and efficient way of transferring funds from one place to another place with the given electronic signals. Electronic banking or e-banking is the newest improvements in banking sector, which is the latest dimension. E-banking system has become the main technology-driven revolution in conducting financial transactions. The application of e-banking or electronic banking has proven as an effective way of reducing cost of the banking operations.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadia Islam. My ID is 171116089. Welcome to my presentation. First of all, thank you, sir, for giving us the opportunity. Today my topic is problems and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Fatima Nusrat. My ID is 171116100. I would like to say thank you, Honorable Sir, for giving me the chance to say something on my topic. So, today I'm going to discuss about the problems and prospect of electronic banking in Bangladesh. But before discussing it, I'm going to tell about electronic banking scenario in Bangladesh. E-banking services have been available since 2001. The foreign commercial banks have played the pioneering role with adoption of modern technology in retail banking during the early 1990s, whereas the state-owned commercial banks and private commercial banks came forward with such services in limited scale during the late 1990s. As of 2013, all the banks have minimum electronic banking services. Almost most of the bank provides wide range of electronic banking services. The rest of the banks providing few electronic banking services.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. A warm welcome to this presentation. I am Bushra Salam Fahia, and here I will discuss about problem and prospectus of e-banking in Bangladesh. In 2001, e-banking has been introduced in Bangladesh. But nothing is free from pros and cons, so e-banking has also some problems. Here I will discuss about them first. First problem is a problem with security and law. The second problem is a problem of a high cost of setting up. Next problem is infrastructural barrier. Telecommunication services were not strong, communication bandwidth is weak, software is not available in country, and hardware for establishing ATM booth is costly. Also, there is a lack of awareness and knowledge barrier. Effective and wide media effort need to be emphasized in e-banking. Also, mass awareness is important to make people aware about e-banking. And also, in Bangladesh, IT skill of manager and other employee is not satisfactory enough. Fifth problem is with socio-cultural and economic barrier. People cannot leave the comfort of traditional banking system, and they cannot adopt e-banking as they have negative perception toward it. Due to economic barrier, our infrastructure is not well. Here need to more investment. The next problem is ancient technology. 10th problem is limited number of online customer due to high cost. Number 11th and most important problem is financial risk. Here are so many financial risks like operational risk, customer misuse of product and service risk, legal risk, strategic risk, reputation risk, credit risk, market risk, and liquidity risk. Though there are too many problems in e-banking in Bangladesh, but here are some prospectus of e-banking. Now I will discuss about them. The first prospectus is global aspects. Next one is government scheme. Use of plastic money are increasing day by day. Debit card, credit card, and prepaid cards are examples of plastic money. Also, electronic banking is time saving. Also, it lowered the cost of customer. Then economic prospectus. It helps customer to save their money, time, paper, and electricity. Make our environment makes our environment to green life. It is more trustworthy to some people. It helps to make our life easier. E-banking is real-time green banking, available anytime, anywhere throughout the country. It is convenient, affordable, and secure. So it makes our life easier. One benefit of electronic banking is very speedy process. Transaction can be done anytime, anywhere, quickly, in less time. That's all about my presentation. Thanks for watching.
Hi everyone, my name is Shubhabrata Vishwas Saurabh. My ID is 171116128. Today I discuss about my topic. My topic is problem and prospectus of e-banking in Bangladesh.
Assalamualaikum. I would like to a very warm welcome to my presentation. This is Asmafiz Anika. My ID is 171116132. My topic is e-banking.
Assalamualaikum. I am Asavandra Chaudhary from Business Administration, Metropolitan University, Sylhet, Bangladesh. Now today I discuss about the topic that problems and prospectus of e-banking service in Bangladesh.
Assalamualaikum. I am Hassan Ahmed. I am a student of Metropolitan University under Business Administration Department. My assignment topic is problem and prospect in banking in Bangladesh.
Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my presentation. My name is Rima Begum. ID is 171116143.
Assalamualaikum. This is Abdul Muhaimin Mahdi from Metropolitan University. Today I am going to discuss about the problem and prospects of electronic banking in Bangladesh. At first we have to know what is e-banking or electronic banking. Electronic banking is one of the first things that comes to mind when one thinks about the future of banking. Generally, electronic banking is a form of banking in which funds are transferred through an exchange of electronic signals rather than through an exchange of cash, checks, or other types of paper documents. Transfers of funds occur between financial institutions such as banks and credit unions. To find out the viability of a particular product, we must perform a SWOT analysis. This will analyze the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of the particular product. For analysis the performance of e-banking in Bangladesh, now we will identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats of e-banking in Bangladesh. Strengths of e-banking are: number 1. E-banking is new in our market. Only a few banks are now offering internet service in solving banking problems, so this product will enjoy the benefit of a fast mover. Number 2. It is cheap both for the banks and the customer, so the customers will be able to save time as well as money for their transaction needs. Number 3. E-banking is convenient as the service is available all the time.
Welcome to my presentation. Today I would like to present the prospect and problems of e-banking, and I would like to thank our honorable teacher to make a presentation video, and really it's interesting. So let's go to the presentation. My ID number is 171116152. Prospects of e-banking. The technology growth is rapidly changes in our global world, and it is estimated that the number of internet users increasing in Bangladesh day by day. In internet banking you don't need to go for physical branches. You can transaction from anywhere, anytime. You can transact money and all those things. And another prospects is time savings. E-banking is time savings, and e-banking, you can use e-banking from anywhere, anytime, and it is affordable. And costs. And another prospect is cost. Cost is convenient and affordable and much more effective than traditional banking.
Assalamualaikum. This is Jayanta Simnoshin, a student of Business Administration from Metropolitan University. I am here to present a topic that is the problems and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. Before that, I'm going to just say a few words about electronic banking. Electronic banking is a form of banking in which the funds are transferred through an exchange of electronic signals rather than through an exchange of cash, checks, or other type of paper document. Transfers of funds occur between financial institutions such as banks and credit unions. They also occur between financial institutions and commercial institutions such as stores. Whenever someone withdraws cash from an automated teller machine, that is the ATM, or pays for groceries using debit card, the funds are transferred via electronic banking.
Hello everyone, this is Oppu. So today I am going to discuss about problem and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. Problems of e-banking in Bangladesh. Infrastructural barriers. Infrastructural barriers are one of the most important challenges for e-banking in Bangladesh. Here there is not enough infrastructural support for providing efficient e-banking service in our country. Telecommunication services are not strong, communication bandwidth is weak, software is not available in the country, and hardware for establishing ATM booth is costly. Knowledge barriers. E-business is still not very much progress in Bangladesh. Mass awareness is not feasible. The country faces problem of developing trained human resource. There are lack of technological knowledge among the manager, employees, and customer of bank. Legal and security barriers. In Bangladesh, circumstance and limitation of regulation one of the acute obstacle of to e-banking. On the other hand, in an underdeveloped country like ours, fraud are gaining significant potential, which indicates negative output in our local banking sector.
Hello, this is Pulak Dev. Welcome to my presentation. At first, thanks to my honorable teacher to giving me opportunity to say something about problem and prospect of e-banking in Bangladesh. What is e-banking? The business of banking has changed by the development in technology. E-banking is now a global phenomenon. E-banking is an electronic connection between bank and customer in order to prepare, manage, and control financial transactions.
Assalamu alaikum. Sir, it's Rahan Ahmed from Metropolitan University, Department of Business Administration. My ID 171116165. Today I would like to talking about the problem and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. So, there are some problems of e-banking in Bangladesh is infrastructure barriers, knowledge barriers, legal security barriers, socio-cultural and economic barriers, lack of awareness and human capital, unsatisfying service and customers relationship, limited number of online customers due to high cost.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nadia Akhtar Choudhury. Today my topic is problem and prospect of e-banking in Bangladesh. The problems are traditional banking, securities, technical issues, small budget. Traditional banking are financial depository institution where offer checkable depository. Bangladeshi people do not participate in online banking mainly because of traditional banking, because they are used to traditional banking.
Mohammad Bakhtiar Choudhury, Department of Business Administration, UK Podcast Batch, ID 171116176.
Welcome to my presentation on the topic Problems and Prospectus of e-banking in Bangladesh. My name is Mahashweta Chakraborty. My ID is 171116178. At first, I am going to talk about problems of e-banking.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Jannatul Firdaus, student of Metropolitan University BBA program. My ID is 171116188. Firstly, I would like to thank to my honorable teacher to give me the opportunity to present here. Today my topic is problems and prospects of e-banking in Bangladesh. We know that Bangladesh is a developing country. 60% of our people are depending on agriculture. But nowadays, more than 1 million people are living in foreign country. Every year, they send lots of remittance to our country. It is increasing our economic condition day by day. This process can easily done by e-banking system.
Welcome to my presentation. First of all, I would like to thank to our honorable teacher who encouraged us for make a video on some certain topic. The topic is problem and prospectus of e-banking in Bangladesh. The topic include many terms. First one is e-banking. Second one is e-banking product and service in Bangladesh. Third one is problem of e-banking. Fourth one is prospect of e-banking. And last one is conclusion.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sharif Ahmed Shubho and I'm the student of Business Administration from Metropolitan University. Today we will discuss about the problems and prospects of electronic banking in Bangladesh. So first of all, we will know what is electronic banking means. Electronic banking is also known as internet banking or web banking. Is an electronic payment system that enables customers of a bank or other financial institutions to conduct a range of financial transactions through the financial institution's website.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম and আদাব to all. আশা করি আপনারা সবাই ভালো আছেন and আপনার ফ্যামিলি সব সুস্থ আছে আশা করি. My name is Mohammad Harun Rashid and I will be discussing about prospects and problems of electronic banking in Bangladesh. এর আগে জেনে ফেলি আমরা electronic banking কি. Electronic banking is a form of banking through which transactions are exchanged through electronic signals rather than the exchange of cash, check or any other paper documents. Well, বর্তমানে বাংলাদেশে reside করে more than 160 million people. Extraordinary.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tanjin Khanum Sima and my ID is 163116018.